What's going on YouTube? Today on the channel we're going to be doing a car video with the Accord. So with that being said, I'm like super tired. It is really early in the morning for me kind of. I stayed up late last night and I didn't get much sleep. And plus I have to go and do some other things today, so I kind of want to get this video made. I haven't posted it in like a week or two, so it's been a week almost. So with that being said, we're going to hop straight into this video and install these weather guards. I don't know how well they're going to stick because it is a little bit cold outside, so if they don't stick, I'll just throw some 3M tape on them that I have, the 3M strips that I have, and those will definitely stick because the ones on my truck that I have weren't sticking, and I threw those 3M strips on there, stuck it on there, the thing stuck. So we're gonna make this video putting these rain guards, weather guards, whatever you want to call them, the black visor pieces that go over your windows. We're gonna make this video and let's get this going. It's gonna be a banger. You already know. Look at this wheel. This thing is like full carbon fiber. It has like the SS little symbol for like Chevrolet and stuff because they have the SS models. And it's got like down here, it's got Husky. It's Husky Parts Company. It's like real carbon fiber. This thing is awesome. It's on a freaking golf cart. It's got the little turn signals and stuff. But that's enough about the golf cart. Let's hop on the Honda. That's the reason we're here for this video. Look, this is how early it is. The car literally doesn't even have the stuff off the windows, like the frost stuff off the windows yet, and we're doing this. So let's start unboxing these weather guards and alright, so I got the package right here for the weather guards, but first while I'm opening this, I pretty much want to tell you guys about an update on lowering the car and what I'm going to be doing with that. I talked to this guy on Facebook Marketplace, and he has some Trueheart coilovers for a Honda Accord. The reason he's selling them is because his grandma is getting ready to get the car, and grandma can't really, he doesn't want grandma driving around a slam car, which I understand that. It'd be cool to, you know, be driving, pull up and see grandma just driving a slam car, but at the same time, you know, she's going over like speed bumps or something. She doesn't really know how to drive it over speed bumps probably with the slam car. So that being said, next time that I get paid, I'm going to go buy those coilovers off of him. I'm going to keep in contact with them because I really do want those coilovers. I want to be able to drop this car down lower. And I also have some LED lights coming for the shop or like little garage. Right now we're just running some bulbs in here. So with that said, I'm gonna probably switch out 2 of these lights, and then I'll put the things in because they just screw in. They're like a little panel thing. The guy hit me up and emailed me, and he's like, hey, do you want to make a video about these lights and showing how bright they are? And I looked up a couple videos on how bright they were and stuff, and they're pretty bright. So I'm gonna be doing that video soon. I don't know when it'll be up or when it'll be out, but I'm definitely going to make a video about that. So I'll show you the setup we got right now. Like that light, that light, that light, then those 3 right there. So it's like literally just connected on like a string type of deal thing. So I definitely want to put LEDs in here because it's just like an orange light, and then we have the garage light, which is actually out. The other side is not working, so one side's on, the other side's not. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Less talking, more working. Let's get it. Alright, so I don't know how I'm gonna get this off of that tape. I mean, I don't have nothing. Screw it, we're gonna use these. Like Cobalt, like Cobalt, let's see if you can get this open. Oh, it's actually working. I hope these are like actually weather guards and not like not weather guards, because I've literally had this box sitting in my room for like 2-something weeks. Alright, so this is definitely the front because it is the longest. So I think they go like that. They got 3M strips on it, but they're kind of skinny, and I think I might just switch those before they fall off to begin with, because I do not want these to fall off, because if they fall off, they're probably gonna get lost on the road somewhere. Yeah, those are the bags. Alright, so these are the bags right here. They had some to where it like cut off or whatever, and like they would like it wasn't like this or whatever, it would like cut off like the other way. But I didn't really like them because I didn't want the wind to get up under them, like cut like that, and then like they go fly off. So yeah, I got these ones. There's definitely many options. Like they have ones that say like RS or like stuff that says on them. I'm not really too much of a fan of that. I make sure when I do like most of my stuff, I want it to look right. I don't want it to be like some slapjack. Like even if like the slightest color is off, it just it's bad. Like I swear I have OCD, but that's a different video for a different day. Let's go ahead and install these weather guards. Let's go. Okay, so I think it's gonna have to go on this chrome piece right here, because if I open the door, as you can see, it's gonna have to go on the chrome piece. So let's get this on here and let's see how we're gonna do this. Alright, so I would say that is on now. It is stuck to the car, and yeah, let's hop onto the back one and let's see what happens. So I don't know as far as fitment I like them, but I definitely like the how tight they are close to the window. As you can see on here, you can barely, like right here you can get it, but like when it gets right here, you can barely even fit a finger up under the weather guards, but they're definitely stuck on there pretty good. This 3M tape is definitely better than the ones, the 3M tape that was on my truck's ones that I had to replace. But I feel like these will stay. We'll just see what happens. But they're definitely better than the other ones. Far away, I mean, dang, she kinda, well, I like this little thing right here, how it curves in, then it does it with that one. So let's hop over to the other side and get the other side put on. This car is gonna look so good when I get it done. Like, I don't think you guys understand. Like, I want to put window tint on it because right now we don't have any window tint, and that's definitely gonna bring out the weather guards a lot. Okay, so side number 2 is on now. So let me pick up all this trash and then I will pick up the camera. Okay, so it's been probably about an hour since I last put these on. They haven't fallen off yet, as far as I can see. You can kind of see that one right there, and you can see that one, the little black piece, and then you got this one right here, and then that one back there. So with that being said, we're gonna go for a little drive really quickly. That's the only way we're really gonna know if these things fall off or not. So yeah, I'm gonna strap the GoPro to my head. I got it right here. Let's go. All right, so I'm going on a road that I'm gonna come back on because if they do fall off, I will be able to take them off. We have been driving for a couple of minutes and they are on the the car still, so that is a good sign of me doing a good job. If you want to do weather guards on your car, I think it really does make it look, you know, different compared to, you know, not having weather guards on it at all. Also, too, when you're going down the road and you want to just crack your window a little bit to get some air in or something like that, you don't have to worry about water getting in if, you know, it's raining or anything like that. Because that's the main reason I had them, put them back on my truck, because my car before that had them, and I really liked them. So I was like, you know what, why don't I get a set for the, you know, why don't I get a set for my truck? And then I was like, well, I like them on my truck and I like them on my car, so why don't I get a set for my car, my new car, which is the Honda. So pretty much what I'm trying to say is, like, weather guards, they look good, they serve a purpose, they help out. I mean, if you don't want to run AC in your vehicle, I mean, I know we got that gas thing going on right now with it, and people were freaking out. And if people wouldn't freak out and buy all the gas, we'd still have gas, which is causing stress on the people that are trying to get it fixed, you know, pressure. But that's my little take on that. But, you know, they serve a purpose. If it's cold outside or anything, I mean, if it's a little warm in your car and you don't want to turn off your AC and you just want to pop the windows down, you know, hey, by all means do so. That's pretty much one of the reasons why I like them, because I mean, you can literally just use that and you don't have to turn on your AC. You can just crack your window a little bit and you won't have to worry about all the wind and stuff in your face. You can just crack it a little bit. So if it's raining, of course, that's pretty much for the reason why they serve the purpose of them. But, you know, they look great. I'd say get them. They're not that hard to install. They're pretty much really cheap. And if you got the extra money to buy them, I mean, why wouldn't you go ahead and get you some to put on your vehicle? Because, I mean, they're really not that expensive, and they do help out. His truck sounds good. At a gas station, let me fill up. I'm kind of running on empty as far as gas goes, so yeah, let me fill up the car real fast. So as far as the coilovers for this car goes, I talked to a guy on Facebook Marketplace. We're in this group for 7th Gen Accords. If you guys do want to join that group and you have a 7th Gen Accord, definitely go ahead and do so. There's a lot of cool people on there, and they pretty much just talk to you and pretty much help you out with parts and stuff and lowering your car and things like that, which is very helpful, you know, for first time people owning a car like this. And, you know, it helps out a lot, which is very nice of people to do. And I actually found some TrueHeart coilovers from a guy that's actually on that group, which is going to help me out a lot. He pretty much had the car, and his grandma needs a car, so he's going to give his grandma his old Accord, which is, you know, the same year and style as mine is. So with that said, he is going to give her that car, and he doesn't want her to be driving around on, you know, lowered suspension, because, you know, he doesn't want grandma driving through, you know, the old folks home, you know, scraping her bumper or popping her bumper off, or scraping the frame on speed bumps, which I can understand that. And plus also too, I'll be able to get a brand new set of coilovers for less than what they're going for. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Peace.